Okay, it's Sunday morning. Just woke up. I'm sporting we're getting ready for church. So, this is my wife getting ready for church. She's so pretty. Say hello.
Good morning, world.
Can you do an Indian accent?
No.
I am liking this on my head.
You should all be getting up and ready for church. It's Sunday.
I'm sporting my worship at full volume shirt with Sonny on it. I hope you see that. What's up, Sonny? So let's wake Cherish up. She's the only kid here. Everybody else is hanging out somewhere else. Cherish. Cherish. It's time. It's time. Get off of church, Cherish, now.
First up, we got the dad, Tony. Secondly, the mom known as Amy. Two brothers, Devin and London. Two sisters, Sierra and Cherishing, and I'm still not done. Cause next up in the mix, we got Uncle Josh and all the other crazies in the mix, that's what's up. So kick back, chill and relax and watch the show. TheFamilySideShow.com, just so you know. The Family Side Show, The Family Side Show. The Family Side, the Family Side Show. The Family Side Show, The Family Side Show. You watching The Family Side Show, just so you know.
Hey, Mama. You tell me what my Facebook status was this morning?
You get your butt up for church.
Oh my gosh, that is so wrong! It was so simple!
It wasn't. It was long.
No!
It was high.
It was profound.
It was about having a coal in the fire. If you leave it, it gets cold. That's why you get up.
Oh, never mind. You are butchering what is a great quote.
Okay, then you quote it.
I said... Okay, wait, I don't want to die while vlogging. I bet that's happened.
I hope not. That's depressing.
I think that has, actually. There's a YouTuber who died.
Okay, what I said was that one coal moved away from the fire will quickly cool off and lose its heat. And it's this basic truth that gets my butt up for church every Sunday. And I invited anybody to join me. And don't worry about being perfect. Turns out the place is full of sinners just trying to get it right. Oh, now you're going to quote it.
I knew that part of it.
Oh, anything. If I say hell or sinner, she's all in.
That's right. Because that's me.
Shut up. I'm married right. Cherish is up in the rain going to church. Good for you, Cherish. You make me stand out in the rain? We drive the youth van home, so we don't have to. So that's what we're doing. These are the vans we use for youth. This one will start. I am going to splash you with water, woman. This van is the perfect splashing machine. If I go like this, and then go like that, yeah, see, that's what I'm talking about.
You're such a jerk.
Anytime I turn right, it gives me water.
You're such a jerk.
Ha ha! Okay, say, what did you just say, Jared?
I said that if you sneeze with your eyes open, they'll pop out. Don't
Really?
get that close to my mouth.
Let's try it. Let's
I'm
do
not
it.
close.
Let's do it together. Me and you. Ready?
Stop!
Come on. I'm going to sneeze with my eyes open.
No, you're not.
Achoo!
You blink.
I can't help
You
it.
blink.
Achoo! Achoo!
You're not actually...
That's not sneezing. You're just yelling.
Achoo!
That wasn't good either.
That's not even sneezing.
Cherish, you do it. Cherish, sneeze with your eyes open or we will squeeze you for the effect.
I can't sneeze.
Hi, Susie.
Hi.
Susie has chosen to do some hair color.
Yep. I need to change.
Yeah, that is some red, Susie.
It won't. It's like purplish red brown.
Okay, I just want on record you say I'm not responsible.
No, I'm the only one responsible for this.
Okay. Let's see how it goes.
If it's gonna turn out bright red,
No.
I'm gonna complain. It's not the color on the box. I'm gonna be ticked.
All right, now let her see the film. Okay, look at the camera.
Hey.